Just like people, chickens can get bored, and their boredom can result in bad behaviors. In chickens, boredom can cause problems like feather picking or egg eating. To reduce your flock's boredom, you might want to consider offering them toys or enrichment opportunities. Today I'm mowing and emptied the mower bag in their run. They'll eat a little of the grass, but the fun comes in scratching through the pile looking for seeds and bugs. What makes it exciting for them is just the fact that it's something different. Boredom busters don't have to take much time or money, just a little imagination.
Okay, Pippin, here's the deal. You don't get 2 Pop-Tart boxes. You can pick one. Okay, you're picking that one. That's your box. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one and throw it away. Do you want that box? Okay, then I'm gonna take this box and throw it away. I can't keep 2 Pop-Tart boxes on my counter, Pippin. Pippin, I need to throw one of these boxes away. This is your last chance. Is this the box you want? This one right here. Yes? Okay. So this one gets Pippin.
This is a great question. It took me years of searching to find my rare mini chickens. I had to travel thousands of miles in strange lands until finally I found a breeder in this place called eBay.
Pav, you are trying to write the shopping list, but have rainbow lorikeets.
Who are you?
I'm Pam. Who are you?
I'm the owner of this house.
Oh.
Todas las veo buenas.